Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of send files to TV. We click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about send files to TV and you click here in this page. In this page of app and follow you click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching and